and I think it is really very good value, so it's worthwhile keeping a little eye on it. So yeah, so enough chit chat from me, and I will open it and let you see what's inside. But the delivery was really quick in store. I think this actually went on sale on the Monday, and it was delivered to the store by the Wednesday, so it was pretty quick. It, oops, what is that? Did something fall out? Hold on a second, I think something fell out. Yeah, something, a little sample of perfume. Well, I don't think it is perfume. Explorer. I think that is a men's fragrance. There, Explorer from Montblanc. Yeah, so I might have a couple of sons, so I'll give that to my sons. Actually, do you know what? I'm gonna sniff it and see what it smells like, because I'm always interested in. Sometimes men's fragrances smell really, really nice. And that one does actually smell really lovely. And I know Mont Blanc is an expensive brand, so that's that. So the actual box is a lot smaller than I thought, but it's actually pretty heavy. I cannot remember anything that's in this box bar one product that I really want to try. So here we go. It's need to have a knife. It's open, and beauty treats are inside. Well, let's hope so. And it has a little sticker. It says beauty on it. So, right. Oh yeah, it is absolutely packed. All small sizes, but nevertheless, it is really, really jam-packed full of stuff. So that's why it was heavy. So the first thing is from Benefit, and it's their, is it Bang? Is it Bad Gal Bang? No, I haven't tried any of the newer mascaras from Benefit. I love the Roller Lash. The Roller Lash is my favourite mascara from Benefit, so I cannot wait to try that out. I'm not going to open it till I use it, but I'll definitely be trying that one. What's up next is from Balance Me. I've tried their stuff before. It's okay, but it's an eye cream which I will definitely try out. Yeah, and that is actually a decent size. It's 99% natural, which is always a good thing as well. So yeah, I will try it out. And next up is from NYX. Always love NYX products, and this is a multi-correction gel face cream. I don't think I've actually tried this one before. Let's see if it's sealed. It's going to squeeze a little bit out. It has a lovely NYX smell, although I'm smelling the aftershave underneath it, the fragrance. But I love NYX products. I think they're really very good, and I do pick up NYX. It's expensive, but they always have sales on, and I would pick the odd product up. So that is lovely. Next up is from L'Occitane or L'Occitane, whatever way it's pronounced, and this is their Fleur de, I'm not sure what that says. I need my glasses, but it's a cherry blossom scent, and that is a shower gel. Yeah, you don't really, probably this would be really good for traveling if you were just going away for the weekend, because there's not like much shower gel on. I would use a lot, but let's see if I can open it. I smelled the cherry blossom and used a cherry blossom hand cream before, and it's absolutely amazing. So really glad and happy to have that. Next up is from Vida Liberata, and this is their, I think it is their Beauty Blur, and I'm not sure what that is. It's a tint, so I think that is a tint for your face, like a gradual self tanner. And Vida Liberator are actually a brand from Northern Ireland. So that's it there. Yeah, I maybe try that there out. And it's in the shade Latte. Actually, I'll open it now because I definitely try it out, so I'll open it up. Ooh, it's oozing out there. So I think this is really maybe a tinted moisturizer rather than a self tanner. That's it there. And it actually is very dark looking. But I'm wondering if you rub it in, will it self-correct? No. It is more or less to give you sort of like an instant sort of false tan on your face, really. But it blends out not too bad. It doesn't look as dark when it's blended out. And Vita Liberata are not cheap either, so that's really good, and I'm happy to try that out. Okie doke. Now, next up. So one of the bigger products that I see is from Dr. Botanicals. That's it there. So it's a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Oh my gosh, this is really good. Dr. Botanicals are super expensive unless they're having a super duper sale on, which they do. And it's a face oil. And it's 15 mils. That is a really good size. And I definitely will be keeping this to try it out. I love face oils. They're just brilliant at night and after masks, because sometimes masks can sort of dehydrate the skin. So these are brilliant, and they sort of, facial oils tend to lock the moisture in better. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'll put it on the other hand because I'm still smelling that aftershave. Oh, that is absolutely, it's a stunning scent. Because rose oils are a bit, ooh, there's certain rose oils that or rose scents that I don't like. This is absolutely amazing. It's gorgeous. And it feels really, really light on the skin. For an oil, you'd imagine it to be heavy. This is not. This is absolutely brilliant. And I actually think I've heard of this before, that it's really very good. So that I wonder, is that a hero product? Because some of these, I think maybe they're new products. Because the bag out, that there is fairly new from Benefit. And yeah, be interesting. I have to look that up and do a bit of research. Next up, another decent size, 100 mils of the Pixi Glow Tonic. And yeah, I will be trying. I think I got the Glow Mist in the FabFitFun add-ons, so this will be interesting to try. It is just like a toner, like an exfoliating toner, so definitely will be trying that. And next up is from Elemis. Oh, this box is absolutely amazing. This is, I think there's 20 mils. I think there's 20 mils of cleansing balm in this jar. And for it to be included in this box is amazing. Because I think that, gosh, I can't remember how much is in the full size, but the full size is around £50. So that is absolutely, I just can't believe it. And this again, keeping on the rose theme, this is a rose scented cleansing balm. All Elemis stuff is absolutely amazing. It smells of the rose that I'm not particularly fond of. But the cleansing balm is a really amazing product. I might suffer with it just to use the actual cleansing balm. It's actually not too bad once you rub it in. But I can't believe that's included in this box. Next up, another decent size is one of the shower creams from Rituals. These are absolutely amazing. A little goes a long way. I've had them before. I think full size retails around 12 or 13 pounds. And this scent is in the Ritual of Sakura, which I've actually used before. I don't think I'm going to be able to smell it in here, but all Ritual scents are amazing. They're just very sort of spa-like and very calming, and they're actually really amazing on the skin as well. They leave the skin super soft. So that's that. Another product, I mean, this box is never ending, and this is from Origins, and I think it's a mushroom, is it? Yeah, it's their Mega Mushrooms Resilience Treatment Lotion. I have no idea what the mushroom treatment lotion is for. Yeah, and the rightness is small, I'll not be able to read it, but happy to have it in this box. And I wonder, is it for acne or something like that, because my daughter could use it if I'm not able to use it. And last but not least, the reason why I bought this box is there was a little sample of the is it the Baume de Rose? It's the lip balm from By Terry. Apparently it's really good. Lots of people really love this. I heard the reviews were absolutely amazing, and I've always wanted to try it, even though it's rose. So yeah, I'll have a wee. And this pot is, how many mils? Let's see. I can't see how many mils is in it. But look at the pot. It's absolutely gorgeous. Excuse my nail is still recovering from being slammed in the car door. So just ignore that nasty nail. But beautiful. And yeah. Let's see if I can get it open. And that's the inside, and I'm hoping that I don't like it, because this is an expensive lip balm. It doesn't, the scent is not overly rose, it's not really very strong, and it doesn't taste like rose, I don't think. But yeah, I'm not sure, but apparently it's really good at moisturising and plumping up the lips, so we'll definitely see how I get on with that. But I just can't believe the value of the box. Did I say £18? And that includes it being delivered to the store. So I'll recap see how many items I have here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. Not right? 4. Yep. So it's the Rose by Terry lip balm. Well, let's see. Oh wait, sorry. There is another item. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. A bubble sheet mask. It just stuck at the bottom, and it's by that brand OK. So I think it's a Korean. Pretty sure that's a Korean sheet mask. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So that's 12 products in this box. That's absolutely amazing. Yeah, it said made in Korea. I knew I seen that somewhere. I'm guessing name in TK Maxx. So there you go. We have a sample of the Mont Blanc fragrance, which is mainly, yeah, it's really 13 products. Yeah, so Mont Blanc sample, the Korean sheet mask, and the Origins mushroom treatment lotion, the Pixi glow tonic, the Balance Me eye cream, the By Terry Rose Baume de Rose lip balm, the Benefit mascara, the Dr. Botanicals rose oil, which, oh, amazing, the Rituals shower cream, the Elemis cleansing balm, the L'Occitane cherry blossom shower gel, and the NYX Correction Moisturising Cream, the Vita Liberata self-tanning facial thing. And yeah, I think that's everything. That is unbelievable. A really brilliant box. It is sold out, but I've been told to check the stock because it becomes available all the time. So yeah, worth checking them out. So if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.